Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix WhatsApp not sending messages. So if WhatsApp is just not sending messages over on your app basically, then here's how you can fix that. So in this video I found a few ways in order to actually start fixing that. So yeah, let's just immediately get started with fix number 1, which is going to be really easy. And all you need to make sure to do is that you have a proper Wi-Fi connection or that cellular mode is enabled, because that's really important for WhatsApp. For iMessage, for example, you don't need a cellular mode or Wi-Fi. However, for WhatsApp you do, so make sure that you have a proper Wi-Fi connection or that cellular mode is enabled. Once you've done that and it's still not working, what we can then actually start doing is see if there may be anything wrong with the app itself. So let's say that I'm trying to send a message to someone that I've accidentally blocked. Then that could cause issues with that message not being able to send. So in order to fix that, what we're going to try and do is see if you've accidentally blocked that contact. In order to check that, simply head over to the bottom right corner of your screen at settings, then click on privacy, and once you've done that, click on block right here. Once you've done that, you will find all of your blocked accounts right here, and if you want to simply unblock someone, you can just slide to the left side of your screen over on that contact you want to unblock, and then you can start unblocking them, and basically then you can try to see if that fixed the issue. If it still did not fix the issue, then the third thing I would recommend doing is heading over on the App Store on your iPhone, and once you've done that, simply click on search and type in WhatsApp, because what we're going to do is simply trying to update WhatsApp to the latest version or to basically fix an issue because of that. So maybe there's just currently a bug going on with WhatsApp, and in order to update your app, you just click on update, and once you've done that, this will basically hard reset the entire WhatsApp app basically, and this should fix some issues with the app. Now if that still did not fix the issue for you, then what you can also try and do is head over to this website called Down Detector. So it's called Down Detector. Just head over to this website. Once you've done that, you can go to the search bar in the top right and simply type in WhatsApp, just like this. And basically what we can do is see if there's maybe a problem currently with the WhatsApp server. Sometimes this happens and then you will not be able to send messages. So just make sure to see if maybe the WhatsApp servers are currently down. Alright, if you've done that, it's still not working, what you can also try and do is simply heading over to settings on your iPhone, then scrolling down until you find general, iPhone storage, just like this. And once you've done that, click on WhatsApp, and then in order to clear the cache, simply click on offload app. It will clear the entire cache of the WhatsApp app, and this will sometimes also fix some issues with the WhatsApp app, including messages not sending, so just try to see if that's working. Alright, so if it's still not working, what we can also try and do is simply force restart our entire phone. To do that, simply press the volume up button really quickly, then the volume down button really quickly, and then press and hold the power button till your entire iPhone goes dark. Once it's dark, just keep on holding that power button till that Apple logo appears, and the second that Apple logo appears, just let go, and your entire phone will be restarted, and it will actually have done a forced restart, and sometimes this fixes issues with apps, including WhatsApp not sending messages. And basically, if you've already tried that as well, it's literally just still not working, then the only other thing I have for you is simply reinstalling your WhatsApp. Do make sure that when you do that, that you have backups of your chats, because otherwise all of those chats will be lost. But yeah, if you have backups, just try to reinstall the app, and it will most likely fix any issue with the app, including WhatsApp not sending messages. And yeah, that's basically all I have for you. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.